Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing of the Røde Microphones NT-USB condenser microphone. This is the box here. As you can see, it's quite a large box. It's quite weighty as well. Let's quickly put this on the scales. Right, and see how much this weighs. Right, I'm not sure if you can see that. This is 1,567 grams, so it weighs a fair amount. I've already taken off the protection sticker on the front here, so let's go ahead and open the box. Right, let's see what we have inside. So firstly, there is this protective sponge foam, and there we have it. So we have the, looks to be a stand on the right hand side, so it's made of plastic, has a tripod mount on the top, have a very small booklet which is regulatory and safety information. And on the left hand side we have the actual microphone itself. Let's take a look at this. It's a lot larger than I expected. That's the one side. So it comes with a filter on the front and the actual microphone here. So NT-USB, it says designed in Australia, assembled in China. Has some controls on the side, so has one for the volume down at the bottom, also has a 3.5mm headphone socket, and on the top here it has another control which has a microphone symbol on the left hand side and also what looks like a monitor symbol on the right hand side as well. And that's basically it, and we have the USB socket on the bottom there, and this is the tripod mount here which goes on this plastic base. Right, okay, let's see what else is in the box. So underneath this film we have some silica gel to keep the box dry. We also have a tag here which says, I think is supposed to go inside the USB socket. It says activate your free extended warranty now, so it wants you to register with Røde that you own this microphone to extend your warranty. There's nothing underneath this piece of foam, but underneath this card here we have a USB cable. So it will be the same type of USB cable that you use for your printer. Looks like quite a long cable as well. And finally we have a bag to put the microphone in. So inside the bag we have a sticker, I love Røde microphones, and we also have a instruction manual as well, in many different languages. And yeah, I think that's about it. So we will connect the microphone up and see how well it performs. Thanks for watching.